The late David Mwai, the main suspect in the attempted assassination of former finance CEC of Garissa County, that's Idris Mukhtar, died of asphyxia caused by hanging. Now, this is according to government pathologist Sylvester Maingi in collaboration with Grace Midigo and Peter Ndagwa, representing the Independent Medical Legal Unit IMLU. Mwai died last Monday in the Parklands police station cells, as Charity Mwangi tells us of the autopsy that has shed virtually no light on death of the suspect.
It was a sad affair for the family and friends of David Mwai, who were flung into the public eye after the death of their kin, who lived a mysterious life and whose death was also surrounded by just as much mystery. Forensic scientists at the city mortuary were on a quest to reveal what caused the death of the self-confessed hitman who said he shot former Garissa County Finance CEC Idris Mukhtar.
We can confirm that David died from a ligature to his neck that was a nylon lining of his jacket. We also found other findings on his body that are in keeping with asphyxia or lack of oxygen.
The pathologists now say that the samples collected during the post-mortem exam may provide more answers to what exactly happened. There being no defensive wounds on the deceased's arms and torso, it is difficult to determine how the death occurred.
Our conclusion is that he died from compression to his neck from ligature. And in this profession, in these medical terms, we call that is hanging. And we have not concluded on the manner of death, whether it was suicide or homicide. That is not our duty. That is the duty of investigators.
The autopsy was done in collaboration with representatives from other interested groups in order to ensure that the findings are truthful.
IPOA was represented at the examination. IMLU was represented at the investigation. As I indicated, that we are 3 pathologists, 2 government and 1 representing one of those bodies.
The autopsy is a matter of interest, as the death of David Mwai is suspected to be a cover-up owing to his involvement in the shooting of Mukhtar, who is at the Nairobi hospital battling for his life. Pictures of involved parties meeting with mediation from key government leaders raised suspicion of a masla arrangement that would allow the families to settle the issues outside the corridor of justice. This is owing to the high profile of Garissa Governor Ali Korane, who is a key suspect in the attempted assassination, as Mukhtar had shared with his family that he had been facing threats from unknown people following his filing of a case challenging the election of the governor. Prior to their disagreement, Mukhtar worked in Korane's campaign with the hope that the incoming governor would expedite the payment of a 53 million shilling compensation for his wrongful termination alongside 2 other CECs by the former governor.
They say that the dead don't tell any tales, and so the examination that took place here will inform investigations on what happened to David Mwai. This, however, may not answer the very crucial question of whether a second party was involved in his death. Charity Mwangi, NTV.